right? So you can see here, guys, we developed the project, right? That project is the outcome. Or we can call it as a different naming convention. Someone they call it as a project, someone they call it as a source code, right? Build, software, application, like different people calling it as a different way, right or not?
Yes.
Okay.
We can see the memo though.
What?
The memo is not showing. Okay.
Okay. Now let's see here, testing phase. So actually testing phase is, this is our actual phase, guys. Here we are involved. Okay. Here we are involved. So please observe. So to understand each phase easily, okay. So as a tester, what we are doing, we are going to discuss here clearly. Just the theoretical information only we are discussing here. Whereas when it comes with the practicals, another concept is there. Same thing we are doing practically. STLC, another concept. That next, so on that concept we are going to discuss how to do it practical and everything. Same thing today. Right now I am explaining you theoretically. Same thing practically we are discussing another concept. Okay. But right now, just theoretically, what's going on? How, as a testers, what we are going to do, I will explain you in this concept testing phase. Okay. See, observe. Input. So testing phase, right? So can you please tell me which one we are taking it as input, guys? Above all documents we are taking? No, we don't need above all, guys. We don't need above all. We need only that requirements document. We are going to understand those requirement, right? Okay. So if you want to test it, you have to understand the requirement, right? And after that, you are going to test this particular project meet the requirement or not. That's it. Okay. So you're trying to understand the requirement, and after that project is there, you're going to test this particular project meets this requirement or not. That's it. We are going to test. Okay. That's it. We are going to test. Okay. Next. Next. Task. Exactly what task we are doing. Testing. Testing the project, right or not? What task we are doing? Testing that particular project. Role. Who is involved? Who is going to test that particular project, guys?
Tester.
Tester, obviously, right? Tester. Tester. Now, process. How the work will be processed means you can see process. How the work will be processed means you can see. We will get the FRS document from test lead, right? Oh, see, actually, if I started it also, only 5 minutes, I can't able to cover this. Okay, it's better we will start freshly tomorrow. Right, guys?
Okay.
It's better we need to start freshly tomorrow. Why? Because it's a lengthy thing. We can't able to send this one. Okay. So let's meet back on tomorrow at same time. So we are going to discuss testing phase. Okay.
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 Thank you so much, everybody.
Is
Okay,
there any
let's
way
move.
that we
Thank
get
you.
this material to read?
What?
This the one which you are explaining. Can we get it in PDF form?
Yeah.
He wants to know if you can send the recording yesterday and today recording, please.
Sure, I will intimate them. Okay, why? Because I don't
Okay.
have those recordings. Training test people will have those recordings. Okay, so I will definitely intimate them. Okay.
Very good. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you.
Bye. Thank you so much, everybody. Bye. Rishi.